The future is here for small businesses. Now anyone can build their own AI agents. This means you can now launch customer-facing AI agents that work 24/7 for your business and customers. In just a few minutes, you can launch a sales, customer, or admin AI agent and many others to help answer questions via phone calls, engage in friendly and personalized chat conversations, capture leads, book appointments, and more while working on autopilot 24/7. Think about how much your business will save on time, money, and resources by introducing AI agents into your day-to-day operations. This is a game changer. So today I'm going to share how AI agents work and how you can set them up inside your business using a powerful tool called Jotform. All right, let's jump over to my computer, dive into AI agents, and get yours set up and running for your business. Now, to create and launch our own AI agents, we need to jump inside of Jotform. To arrive here, simply head over to your browser and type in Jotform AI, or feel free to click on the link in the description below this video, and that's going to take you here. Then navigate down to Create Your AI Agent. And that's going to take us directly inside the AI agent creation portal. And for those of you that are completely new to Jotform, Jotform is essentially a full-feature online form and workflow builder that currently has over 30 million users. Now, after this AI agent tutorial, and if you're interested in learning more about other Jotform tools and features, I will add the appropriate tools and resources down below in the description for you to check out. This AI agent tool is a new tool that Jotform has just released, and I'm excited to share that I have partnered with Jotform to help them release this AI agent tool. Therefore, I just want to say a big thank you to Jotform for sponsoring this video and supporting our channel. Okay, so with that covered, first, before we quickly build out your own no-code AI agents, what exactly are they? Well, in short, AI agents are software programs that use AI to perform tasks by interacting with external information. Basically, these digital agents, AI agents, learn and adapt to your goals and can help you handle repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing you and your team to focus on more creative or significant work. Okay, so now that we understand what AI agents are, how can they be used in your business? Well, there are many impactful advantages of deploying AI agents into your business. The main benefit is in customer service. You can set up AI agents to interact with your customers' inquiries through personalized and human-like interactions. And as I mentioned, because your AI agents are software programs, they work for you 24/7, always there to support your business, helping answer questions, guiding users, engaging in tasks, and resolving issues. Again, this is all on autopilot. Also, customers can easily reach your AI agents across multiple channels through SMS, phone, WhatsApp, on your website, and through other channels. These AI agents are a game changer. They can also have conversations with your customers in different languages. This increases the accessibility for your customers and drives better communication. Also, with your AI agents, you can train them. This is by uploading documents, adding links, and also engaging with your agents. And we'll talk more about all of this shortly as we build out your own AI agents. Okay, so back here, this is where we can choose our primary channel. This is the best channel that you want your customers to use when engaging with your AI agents. And don't worry, we can use all of these different options with each of our AI agents. So for now, leave standalone selected, then click on Next. Here we have a few options for building our AI agent. We can build our agents from scratch, start from a form. Maybe we have a customer feedback form. We can build an AI agent around that form, or we can use a template or clone yourself. Let's quickly take a look at templates. Here we can choose a pre-built AI agent template. Feel free to navigate through the different industries and the AI agent templates designed for each industry. For the purpose of today's tutorial, we want to build one from scratch. This means we can set up our AI agent the right way based on our business's customer support needs. Here we can describe the AI agent that we want to create. For example, a customer service agent responsible for answering inquiries, solving customer problems, and booking appointments. You can also select from the options down here, then click on Create. Give Jotform a moment to launch your new AI agent. And here we can further build, train, and then publish our AI agent. Now I want to build an AI agent, a customer service agent, for my online brand called Sheetify CRM. So first I want to change the color theme. Navigate down to Style. My website's purple, so I'm going to use this purple color. I can also further customize the color palette down here. I'm going to change the heading and call my agent Zach, and then change this to Sheetify support for now. I can also navigate down here and upload a background image if I like, as well as generate an image. We can play around with the chat style, as well as the layout of our agent. Do we want our agent on the left or the right? Down here, I want to upload my business logo, and this is the logo I want to use. And I'm happy with that. I'm going to navigate up to avatar. And because my AI agent has a male name, I'm going to change this avatar to this gentleman over here. And I'm happy with this avatar. Now we can also generate or upload our own AI agent avatar. Okay, so let's continue building our AI agent. Navigate down to chatbot. And this is what your website chatbot will look like. Again, this is a standalone interface. You can also preview each of the different channels. And then we can test engaging with this AI agent. However, we do not want to do this yet because we're still building and training our AI agent. Navigate up to preview again. Then what we want to do is navigate down to voice agent. Here we can select our voice agent settings. At the moment, Laura is selected. I want to navigate down, and you can simply click here to preview each voice agent. Take the time to navigate through each of these different options and choose the right one for your brand. For me, I'm actually going to select Will and hit use. If we navigate back up to the top, we have these other options. If I click on this drop down, I can change the voice to a female voice, the accent, we have these 3 options, and then below this, we can change the age. And these are all the current settings that we have when it comes to customizing the voice agent. Now let me show you a quick preview of a voice agent in action. Hey Zach, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How can I assist you with your inquiries about the Sheetify toolkits today?
Yeah, Zach, I was just wondering if you have any dedicated tutorials helping me get started with the Sheetify CRM?
Yes, Sheetify offers several tutorials to help you get started with Sheetify CRM. You can find these tutorials on their YouTube channel, covering various features and how to use the toolkit effectively.
All right, thanks for that, Zach.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
As you can see, the voice agent is pretty cool, right? Okay, let's navigate down to phone agent. Here we can buy an AI agent phone number. This allows your potential customers to call through to this number and this extension and engage in a phone conversation with your AI agent. You also have the option to enable SMS agent. Again, you will need to purchase a phone number if you want to allow your customers to call through to your AI agent. Then below this channel, we have WhatsApp. And to connect your AI agent with your WhatsApp number, simply navigate up to the top right hand corner and simply connect your WhatsApp number. Okay, so now that we've discussed and set up our different channels on the left hand side, let's navigate over to train. Hey guys, just quickly, did you know that over 90% of you that enjoy our free educational content have not yet subscribed? It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment or hit subscribe if you love what I'm creating. This helps us grow the channel and motivates me to create bigger and more impactful tutorials for you to consume for free. Okay, so with that happy note, thank you in advance, and let's get back to the video. Then click on AI persona. Here we want to change the agent name. This is the name I gave this agent. I'm going to describe this agent's role, customer service agent for Sheetify CRM. Here we can specify the chattiness, and this is based on the level of detail in response to your customer's queries. I'm happy with short. Down here we can select the default language, and depending on your audience you can select the following. For my brand, we predominantly operate in English speaking countries. Below default language we can choose the tone of voice. Again, this depends on the nature of your business. For me, I'm happy with friendly. Then down here we can add the AI agent's conversation style. Describe how your agent will talk during conversations. We can remove these as well as add our own. For example, provide clear step-by-step instructions for customers that are facing product issues. Next, let's navigate up to knowledge base. And this is a key component in training our agent. We can provide information via these different methods in order to train our agent, so agents are equipped with the right resources, understanding of context, and other information to help answer queries and engage with our customers. The more information that you add here, the more equipped your agent will be. For my customer service agent, I'm going to quickly add a link. This is going to be my website link, and most of the information that my customers typically ask me can be found on this website. So now my AI agent can crawl this website. Simply navigate down to crawl, and here we have the option to select up to 100 pages. I'm happy with all 16 pages. I can come down and click on save. Give Jotform a moment to capture all those pages. Okay, so all those pages have finished crawling. Let's navigate up to add new knowledge. And this time I'm going to upload a file. And I want to upload a PDF that I created earlier, which I've compiled frequently asked questions that come to me via email and our live chat. Okay, so I'm going to upload that here. Here's the document. Then I can describe how I want the agent to use this file. Use this file to help answer common questions that we get from customers and potential customers. I'm going to hit save, give Jotform a moment, and just like that, the file has been uploaded. If you have other knowledge resources, go ahead and add those here. For now, let's navigate over to Actions. Now, actions are really cool. This allows us to train our AI agents to perform specific tasks. For example, when user talks about, and let's say our customization service, then what do we want to happen? And here we can add the action, fill a form, show button. If we navigate down the page, send an email, talk about something, find in website, show video, and the action I want is make an appointment. And then here I have the appointment settings over here. I could also use an integration and integrate Google Calendar. But for now, let's navigate back over to availability. And what we would do is take the time to customize the appointment settings for those that are interested in our customization service. For now, I'm going to hit save. And this is a powerful feature that you have access to with Jotform AI Agents. It's really easy to quickly create new actions that are based on specific actions from your customers. Again, I'm going to add another. When a user asks about, I'm going to add accessing template. Then I want an action to trigger. I'm going to navigate through these, and I want my AI agent to show a video. The platform is YouTube, and I'm going to add the URL in here that will show the user this specific video. And this quick video on YouTube shows users how they can quickly access their template. I know that we get many users asking us about how they can access their template. So now when a user talks about accessing a template, then I want the AI agent to show this video. I hope you can see how this will save you so much time. Again, take the time to add your specific actions. Then navigate over to Tools. These are specific Jotform tools that are currently integrated. If you like, you can navigate and browse through these. Next, let's jump over to Forms. We can use our AI agent to help us collect data via forms. Here we can choose a form if we've already created one, or we can create one with AI, or choose from the options down here. For the purpose of this tutorial, I just want to create a feedback form. Create a client feedback form to gather valuable insights from my clients. Then go ahead and click on Create Form. Give Jotform a moment to build your form and then select that form. If you want to learn more about customizing and building your forms with Jotform, I will add the appropriate tutorials down below in the description. For now, let's go ahead and click on Add. Then navigate down to Teach Your Agent. Let's go ahead and start chatting with our agent and see what kind of results we get. What is the most affordable product that you offer? Let's start simple. The most affordable product we offer is Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit priced at $47. And that is correct. Let's add something a bit more challenging. Can you manage tasks inside Sheetify Bookkeeping or only in Sheetify projects? And again, that is correct. You can manage tasks in both Sheetify Bookkeeping and Sheetify projects. And I love this additional explanation down below. As you can see, this is incredibly powerful and a game changer for small businesses. Now, after spending a bit of time here, what we can do is now navigate up to Publish. And that's going to take you to this sharing link. Now, if you cannot see this option, that means you still need to sign up to Jotform. If you currently haven't created an account, go ahead and do that now. Remember, you can get started and launch your agent completely for free. Again, a customer can start engaging with your AI chatbot via WhatsApp website chatbot by calling a number or texting a number, as well as by clicking a link or scanning a QR code. As I mentioned, there are many ways that your customers or potential customers can start a conversation with your AI agent. Okay, so let's take a look at the voice agent example. So what I've done is I've scanned the QR code that has taken me to the AI agent on my phone. Now on my phone, you can see I have a few different options. I can chat with the AI agent, I can voice chat, I can fill out a form, and I can see previous chat history. Okay, so let's click on voice. You can see I'm on Zach, the AI agent. And then what I want to do is click on talk to agent. Click on allow.
Hello, I'm Zach, your friendly AI agent. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was just wondering if you guys currently have a discount for any of the Sheetify products?
Currently, there is a 15% discount on the double lifetime combo of Sheetify CRM and bookkeeping, and a 25% discount on the triple lifetime combo of Sheetify CRM, bookkeeping, and projects.
I was also wondering how I can actually access the toolkit once I've purchased it.
Sheetify toolkit after purchasing, simply follow these 3 steps. Click on File, then select Create a Copy. Choose a folder in your drive, and click Copy to authorize. After that, you'll have your own Sheetify toolkit.
As you can see from the interactive example I just showed you, AI agents are a complete game changer. Again, you can navigate up to preview and test out your AI agent. Now all your responses, you can find it inside Jotform. You'll also be sent an email notification. Now one of the cool things about Jotform AI agents is if one of your AI agents is not too sure how to answer a question, then you'll receive that as an email notification. And that allows you to further train your agent to equip them with the right information, so when that question pops up again in the future, your AI agent knows how to respond. Okay, so now that your AI agent is published, what you can do is navigate over to Chatbot here, then come down, copy this code and embed that on your website. Again, like I mentioned earlier, you can create a phone agent. However, this is going to cost you $10 per month. The same is with the SMS agent. If we click on voice agent, if you want to add the voice agent to your website, simply come down and copy the code and add that directly to your website. As I mentioned earlier, we also have WhatsApp. If you want to connect your AI agent to your WhatsApp channel, first you need to connect Facebook and then your WhatsApp business account. Under Agent App, here we can copy this link and add it to our different channels. We could link this to different buttons on our website, in our footer, as well as in our email signature. If we navigate up to this QR code, here we can download this QR code and again add this to different channels. Then, like I showed you in the previous example, your potential customers can scan the QR code and then from their device, engage in a conversation with your AI agent. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this Jotform AI agent tutorial. As you can see, AI agents are an absolute game changer. Jotform allows you to simply build your own AI agents that you can then add across your different online assets. This allows you to optimize your customer service. You'll also save a ton of time, money, and resources by leveraging AI agents. Again, if you're ready to build your own Jotform AI agents, click on the link down below in the description to get started for free. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this Jotform AI agent tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about building your own AI agents, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.